Couple revs. Oh, it's their birthday. It says happy birthday on the window. Getting smooth with it, baby. Got the goods. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, and let me know what you want to see next. Today's video, a quick video, just stepping off campus during my lunch break, doing a quick little ride here. My sister isn't feeling too great, and she actually lives about 5 minutes from my job. So, stepping out of here real quick to pick her up some medicine, do a little home delivery, and then right back to work after that. So, over here to Giant. It's a really nice day, and I will take any excuse I can get to ride my bike. Wow, it's nice out. We're gonna go. Yep. Also, I turned off the image stabilization, so the footage looks a little bit more how you would expect actually riding on a bike, instead of it being super smooth and shaky and whatever else, or not shaky. You get the point. Also, I do plan on getting some ND filters to boost the video quality even more in the future. I plan to also get a new mic, whether it's the Rode Lavalier Go or even the DJI Lav mic. Anything than what I currently have now, because I mean, it's decent, but going at speed, it's definitely not great. So there's some future things coming up there. And here we are at Giant already. Ooh, I'm in neutral. Let's go up to second. And as you can see, we're already at Giant. She's not even looking, or he's not even looking. She sees me. Never assume they see you though. They're about to pull out. Oh, they stopped. Good deal. Shift down into one. Turn my way into here. I'm gonna throw her down right here. All right. Be back in a flash. All right, y'all. Got the goods. Put my helmet on currently. Time to load them up in the old bag. Just realized I don't think I've recorded an engine start on my channel yet, so here we go. She purrs. Do a quick walk around, make sure everything's looking good. My bike is so dirty, let me tell you. I really got to clean it badly. All right, but zip up the pockets. I can see the zipper. Got everything we need. Next stop, sister's house to drop off the goods. Make sure no one's poking out here. Right, we're good. Here we go, there's a car coming. Thank you. We're off. Man, what a nice day. I know I keep saying it, but for real though, crazy nice. Couple revs. Oh, it's their birthday. It says happy birthday on the window. I love this. Why'd she pull up away from me? I'm just saying happy birthday. So yeah, as I was talking about earlier, I do plan to upgrade my gear. Get some ND filters for the Insta360 Ace Pro. I have just the Ace Pro, not the Ace Pro 2. And I want to make sure I'm getting the right filters and if they're compatible with each other. So if you guys know if I can buy the two used for the one, let me know. And also if you know where to get them other than the Insta's official website. I see them on there for like 80 or 90 bucks, but there might be another option that's a little bit more cheaper. And I'm also excited to get a new mic. Actually be able to hear the engine and not just pure wind noise at speed. We're doing an incognito drop off. She's feeling pretty sick, so not going inside or anything, just dropping it off at the porch. We're almost there, so catch you guys in a second. And just like that, we're back on the road, baby. Not gonna lie, that was a smooth upshift there. Smooth downshift too, baby. Alright, what are we looking at? Now we go. That was also very smooth right there. We're getting smooth with it, baby. So now the only thing left to do is to get back to work. Everybody's favorite thing to do. No, honestly though, how nice this weather is. I want to just keep riding. But unfortunately you can't. As a manager, I have responsibilities that I need to report to and to fulfill, so. A little late getting off the line there, but it's okay. Nice little turny turn. Haha, I was in neutral there. Oops, don't want to go to third. Let's go to second. Keep that signal on. Nobody coming around. Careful around these curves here. Gravel. Alright guys, well, it's been real. Again, if you're new here, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. On the road to 1,000. We're almost at 300. 500 will be next. So join the journey, follow along. Peace.